Every year, over 1.5 million tons of hazardous waste is generated from household cleaning products. This staggering statistic serves as a wake-up call for many, highlighting the hidden dangers lurking beneath the glossy labels of conventional cleaners. The reality is that many of these products contain toxic chemicals that can harm not only our health, but also the environment. As we scrub and polish our homes, we may inadvertently be contributing to air and water pollution, respiratory issues, and even skin irritations. However, there is a refreshing alternative: guilt-free cleaning. This approach embraces simple, natural ingredients that are not only effective, but also safe for both our families and the planet. Guilt-free cleaning is about reimagining how we maintain our living spaces. It encourages us to swap out those chemical-laden products for DIY solutions crafted from everyday ingredients found in our kitchens or local stores. The benefits are twofold. We protect our health and reduce our ecological footprint. Let's explore 10 surprising ingredients that can transform your cleaning routine into a guilt-free experience. First on the list is baking soda, a household staple known for its versatility. This fine white powder is a powerful abrasive that can tackle tough stains and odors. To create an all-purpose cleaner, simply mix baking soda with water to form a paste. This paste can be used to scrub sinks, bathtubs, and even stovetops, leaving surfaces sparkling clean without the need for harsh chemicals. Next, we have vinegar, a true superstar in the realm of natural cleaning. Its acidic nature makes it an effective disinfectant and deodorizer. A simple solution of equal parts vinegar and water can serve as a glass cleaner, leaving windows streak-free and gleaming. Additionally, vinegar can help dissolve mineral deposits, making it ideal for cleaning faucets and shower heads. The best part? Its strong scent dissipates quickly, leaving your home smelling fresh. Lemon juice is another surprising ingredient that packs a punch. Not only does it have a pleasant, invigorating scent, but it is also a natural antibacterial agent. The citric acid in lemon juice can break down grease and grime, making it perfect for kitchen cleaning. Combine lemon juice with baking soda to create a powerful paste for scrubbing surfaces, or simply use it to freshen up your garbage disposal. Olive oil, often associated with cooking, can also work wonders in cleaning. Its natural properties make it an excellent furniture polish. Mix olive oil with vinegar in a 2:1 ratio to create a nourishing solution that not only cleans, but also conditions wooden surfaces. This blend will leave your furniture gleaming without the use of synthetic chemicals. Castile soap, a plant-based soap, is a fantastic addition to your guilt-free cleaning arsenal. It is biodegradable and free from synthetic fragrances, making it gentle on the skin and the environment. A few drops of Castile soap in a spray bottle filled with water can create a powerful all-purpose cleaner suitable for various surfaces, from countertops to floors. Tea tree oil may come as a surprise to many, but this essential oil is a potent antifungal and antibacterial agent. Just a few drops added to your DIY cleaners can enhance their disinfecting properties. Mix tea tree oil with water and vinegar for a powerful bathroom cleaner that tackles mold and mildew effectively. Another unexpected ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, a common household item that is often overlooked. It serves as a powerful disinfectant and can be used to sanitize cutting boards, countertops, and even laundry. A solution of hydrogen peroxide and water can be sprayed on surfaces to eliminate germs, making it a valuable tool for maintaining a clean and healthy home. Cornstarch is typically associated with cooking or baking, but it can also be utilized in cleaning. This versatile ingredient can be used to clean windows and polish furniture. Simply mix cornstarch with water to create a paste for scrubbing, or sprinkle it on carpets before vacuuming to help absorb odors. Essential oils, such as lavender or eucalyptus, not only provide a delightful fragrance, but also have natural antibacterial properties. Adding a few drops to your cleaning solutions can elevate your guilt-free cleaning experience, leaving your home smelling fresh and inviting. These oils can be mixed with vinegar or Castile soap for a fragrant touch that enhances your cleaning routine. Lastly, we have salt, a common kitchen ingredient that can work wonders in cleaning. Its abrasive nature makes it an effective scrubber for pots and pans, while its natural properties can help remove stains from fabrics. A paste made from salt and lemon juice can be used to tackle tough stains on clothing or countertops. Among these ingredients, vinegar and baking soda stand out due to their remarkable effectiveness and versatility. Vinegar's ability to cut through grease and eliminate odors makes it a go-to for many cleaning tasks, while baking soda's gentle abrasiveness allows for scrubbing without scratching surfaces. Together, they create a powerful cleaning duo that can handle just about any mess, proving that effective cleaning doesn't have to come at the expense of our health or the environment. In conclusion, guilt-free cleaning is not only possible, but also simple and effective. By incorporating these 10 surprising ingredients into your cleaning routine, you can create powerful DIY solutions that are safe for your family and the planet. Baking soda, vinegar, lemon juice, olive oil, Castile soap, tea tree oil, hydrogen peroxide, cornstarch, essential oils, and salt offer a plethora of benefits that challenge traditional cleaning wisdom. As we become more aware of the impact of our choices, it's empowering to realize that cleaning can be both efficient and eco-friendly. Embrace guilt-free cleaning and transform your home into a safe haven, free from harmful chemicals and full of natural freshness.